Day 50, week 8. So now we are at a critical point because we are falling behind the schedule. So it was supposed to be done within 45 days, but now we are hitting 50-day mark. So now we'll have to hurry up a little bit so that we can finish it before it hits 60-day mark, because we're losing money because it's staying in the holding cost is piling up. Also, we are getting into cold days of fall and then winter, so we're gonna have to switch to the next project as well, so that we can finish it before we have cold days and put on the market as soon as possible. So this project is holding up the next project, so either we'll have to split the crew and start working on the next project, or we'll have to find a different crew to work on that project. Alright, demoing the exterior of the bathroom. So there's no drywall here, it's just a panel. So we're gonna remove this and put a drywall and check the drywalls inside. They're possibly damaged by water. So we're gonna cover this place up. Same thing over here, maybe we'll just paint this. So the second coat of the packing is done. So the final finish would be tomorrow. Same thing, all around the house. So, all right. Day 51, week 8. Purchased a lot of materials, door jambs, 2x4s, and then pipe for the gutters, downspout, and then about 34 drywall for the bathrooms as well. So we got about 10 tile motor and 1,000 feet wires. We're going to be using some of the materials in the other project. So, alright, so the final coat would be probably tomorrow. Same thing all around the house. It looks nice, smooth. Same thing over here. Cover this place and here, and cover this. So forth. And then working on that angle to cover all of that space. Got a little step over here, a little groove, and all the spackling looks smooth and nice. It's gonna look great when it's painted. Everything is painted. We'll have countertop measurement next week, so before that we'll have appliance delivery. So everything is gonna be done before that, so that would be great. So the demo is done here. Everything is done. So we won't paint the garage, so that's not in the plan for now. But the final coat is done here, so I'm just sanding it to make it smooth. Day 52, week 8. So we got about 2 fridges, to be picked up by Dukin Lights program for rebate, $50 for each. So I think they will send us a check for 2 fridges. So I sent several pictures of each and they approved. So they're gonna be coming next week to pick them up. It looks like the garage is done. The final coat and sanding to make it smooth and nice. So it looks good. I like it. Alright, so the final coat is done. It looks so smooth and nice after this. They're just gonna send it and make it ready for the paint. It's all around the house, same thing. It looks nice and bright. So we might have to change this closet door size from 48 to 36 because it's more expensive if we get 24-inch bifold doors. Instead of that, I can purchase one bifold door, 36-inch, and save $100 on that. Instead of buying 2, I can buy just 1. And they're all gonna be same style. So probably we're gonna put a bifold door over here too. I'm not sure about that, but for sure we're gonna have a bifold door on this side of the house. So alright, so we got outlet for the TV. It's very convenient so that the wires would be in the back of the TV. Alright, so the mud is it's about to dry. So same thing throughout the house. Day 53 and 54, week 8. So the crew is short-staffed. Only one person is working, the other one half injured, I would say, helping out and just cooking food for the other guy. So we only have one guy working on the project now. So let's see the update. All right, so a lot has been done here. The first coat of paint is done. So mistakenly they put the paint instead of a primer. They were supposed to prime everything, but now everything is painted. So this is the first coat. So this one is downsized to 30. It was supposed to be 36, but now they put 30. Okay, so that's fine. It looks fine. So we're gonna have not bifold door over here. Then it's just gonna be a regular solid door, a 30-inch. So this one was supposed to be on this side. So now we're just gonna put the regular door over here. Spackling is in progress over here. So this duct wall is covered. We're gonna put some small items inside. And 32-inch door. Same thing inside of the bathroom. Taping. And the second coat of mud would be probably tomorrow. Can't wait to see the final result in the master bathroom. Same thing over this side of the master. Alright, same thing on this side. They're gonna be putting 36-inch bifold door. Alright, same thing on this side. Looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. So this is how it looks like for now. This is semi-gloss, so it's brighter right now, but it's gonna be flat once it's properly painted. So if you want to save money on big projects, try to pack up everything, because you're gonna save a lot of money on those. If you buy like individually, it costs a lot of money. For example, this down is almost like $12 per piece, but if you buy it in a pack like this, it's gonna be like $7. So now I'll have to return those because you bought individually instead of buying a pack. So I'm saving about 50% on each item, almost 50%. So my dad-in-law is helping with this downspout pipes. So they're all clogged, and they put some concrete on top to block it. I don't know why. So he did same thing over there and all around the house. So we're gonna be doing like a new pipes over here for the downspouts. That's gonna go all the way, and probably gonna have a joint over here and then goes down there. It should go all the way to this side, and we're gonna have a proper system for water disposal. Day 55, week 8. All right, so finally we got the results. So the paint is done. The ceiling is a little bit different color, and then the walls are different color. So, and this is how the floor looks like. The cabinets are not ready. As soon as they're done with the flooring, they'll put the cabinets, and we're gonna be ready for the countertop measurement, and the countertop will be here in a week after the measurement. This is from a different angle. I like the way they did the wall weatherwork spackling. Everything looks smooth and nice, so that's good. I didn't see any imperfections, so. Alright, so this is from the middle angle. FYI, it's just the basement. So outstanding works over here would be just to finish up the flooring, cabinets, countertop, backsplash, appliances, installation, and then door, and painting the trims, window trims, put the baseboards, and work around this drywall and cover up all the vents. And we are thinking about replacing all these doors and just putting just a regular door that's gonna be out swing. So instead of doing with windows, we still have plenty of natural light coming in, so that should be good enough. And on the outside, so we're thinking about extending this concrete until the end of this garage. So we're gonna have 2 big car space over here. The vans would fit, a little bigger trucks would fit up here, and but it's gonna be a little bit tight in this garage, so probably we're gonna be having only 1 car in this space. You can still fit 2 cars over here because we don't have a post inside, but the door is a little bit small for 2 cars, so it would have been better if we had like a little, I would say 2 feet longer, wider doors. Day 56, last day of week 8, back in Home Depot, returning some of the stuff we don't need for the rest of the projects. got drywall corner edge, and then haystack sanded grout. We got a deal on this one in stock clearance, so saved about I believe like 20 bucks on each one, or 20 bucks total. It was actually $20 each one, so I purchased it for $4.95, almost $5. So we saved about 15 per bag. We have a lot of returns in James project, and probably we're gonna take some of the stuff to Graham project. So probably we're gonna do that this week around and do all the returns to see how much we're gonna have in returns. Hopefully we can save, take back our money on some of the materials we don't use. So let's see. We did go over budget because we're gonna be doing some additional projects which we didn't intend it to do. So we're gonna be doing the driveway extended, and then we're gonna do some gutter work, so downspouts and the drainage. So all right, so currently working on the solid wood doors and frames. So it's gonna take some time to get this done. Because the frames are not ready, so we'll have to gather them and adjust it to the doors we have over here. And looks like all the patching works are done here, and they're gonna do the final coat after this and ready to paint. All right, so this place is getting ready for countertop measurement. So we did make a mistake on the cabinets. So this one was supposed to be the range hood cabinet that fits over here, but by mistake we bought same size as this one, so we'll have to switch it out, and order it online. So we do have range hood over here, so the appliances are coming this week, so on Tuesday. So we're gonna have all the appliances here installed and connected to the utilities, and afterwards we're gonna have countertop measurement. So this room would have pretty much everything here. So the kitchen, formal dining room, and then living room here. So everything is together. So we'll have to work on the storage space, and probably we're gonna integrate those two rooms over here, finish it up, and use for, I don't know, for kids maybe to play in the winter, so that we can have small space for them to play. So